here's your September 2024 market update for beautiful Boca Raton. Hi, I'm Terry Story with Team Terry Story, and we're going to take a look at what's going on in our marketplace. First, let's talk about our pending sales. August, last month, we had 372 pending sales. September, we are now looking at 292 sales. So we're seeing a trend that's downward. And when we compare our pending sales year over year, we're at 17.9% below where we were last year. So what does it mean to have a pending sale? Pending sale is a house that's currently under contract. And when we see that number coming down, that's a forward-looking indicator as to what our next category of sales will be, which are the closed sales. So you have to go pending first before you are closed. So what we're seeing is a little bit of a slowdown in our overall market. Now our closed sales, which are the sales that actually closed, for the month of September, we had 332 transactions. That's down 19% over last year. And in last month, we had a little over 400. So you can see, again, we talked about the pendings, they're slowing down, and now you can see our closed number of units is also slowing down. Now let's talk about the inventory. How many properties are on the market? Right now we have 2,172 properties to choose from. That's up 36%. Now if you look at month over month, it's only about 20 more units. So the rate in which the new inventory is coming on the market is pretty much flattened out. It's not going up at a steep rate. So that's the good news. So now let's talk about the absorption rate. The absorption rate tells us and paints the picture of really what's going on in our marketplace. Right now, we have 5.78 months supply of inventory. What that means is if nothing else came on the market, it would take us 5.78 months period of time to sell everything. Last month, for an example, we were at 5.74. So you can see it's moving up slowly. We're beginning to approach what we call that balanced market, which is 6 months. And then beyond that, it turns into a buyer's market. So here's an interesting number that I just took a look at. Our median sales price. Our median sales price for September is $587,000 in Boca Raton. However, when you compare it to the previous month of August, it was at $625,000. That's a significant drop between $625 and $587. So we're going to keep an eye on that. But when you compare to where we were a year ago, it's only off by 1.34%. Not very much. Now our days on market tells us how long it takes to get a home under contract. We're looking at 77 days for the month of September. When we look at the previous month, it was 71 days. But year over year, we're at 43% longer time to get a home sold. So what does all of this mean? When you compare it to a few years ago, it seems like this is really slow, long days on market. But in reality, we're just shifting to a more balanced market. Now, what happens beyond that? It's going to be multiple factors. What's happening to our interest rates? What's happening to inflation? What's happening to the demand? What I do know is we do have a strong pent-up supply of buyers who are sitting on the fence waiting for the home prices to come down or interest rates to come down. So in reality, we're right now approaching a balanced market, which is a healthy market. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. And you'd like to know more and learn more, subscribe below to our newsletter. Thank you for watching. See you next month.